Hi friends! Welcome to our lesson today. We will be doing a review. We'll be practicing some decoding and some spelling.
Materials!
For today, you will need some paper and your pencil. Here are our two learning targets. I can read silly CVCE words, and I can spell CVCE words and high frequency words. Let's get going.
Word work!
We have a lot to do today, so let's just get started. We are going to read some silly words. You know how this works. We're going to use what we know about words to figure out words that don't seem to make sense. For example, this word. I have no idea what it is, but I noticed that silent E at the end. So I remember that E will make the vowel in the word say its long vowel sound. Let's look closely at this word and tap it out together. S-o-in. Sleen. Nice job. Let's look at this word. Wait, I know that the E at the end of this word will tell the U to say its long sound. And with a U, that can sound like ooh. And I know that the E will stay silent. Try tapping this word out with me. P-o-ood. Plood. Thank you for helping me tap out and figure out those silly words.
Fluency!
Now, some words are going to pop up on this screen, and you will have a chance to practice reading based on the things we've worked on during this cycle. Do your best to read each word. All right, here we go. Mirror. Tube. Spruced. Take. Kind. Many. How did you do? I hope you did your best reading.
Writing!
Grab your paper and your pencil. It's time for our spelling review. I will say a word and I will use it in a sentence. Use what you know about letters and sounds to write down the word, and then we'll check it together. The first word is fluke. The team's win was simply a fluke. Fluke. Let's look at the word. Did you get it? Fluke starts with the blend FL, fool. The silent E at the end is telling the U to say its long vowel sound. And in fluke, that sounds like ooh. Now, let's write another word together. Our second word is tunes. I like to listen to tunes while I clean my room. Tunes. Here is the word tunes. How did you do? you'll notice that silent E in the word. It's telling the U to say its long vowel sound, which sounds like oo in the word tunes. It's time for our last word, eve. On the eve of the party, there was a big storm. Eve. Let's take a peek. Did you spell it correctly? Now it's time to write a whole sentence. Listen carefully as I say the sentence. Then you can begin to write it. I will say the sentence a few times. Think about what kind of letter you need to have to start your sentence, and then what you need to add at the end to let the reader know you're finished. Go ahead and take a deep breath. You can do it. Let's start writing. These ice cubes melted. I'll say it again. These ice cubes melted. These ice cubes melted. These ice cubes melted. Let's take a look at the sentence. I have a capital T, an uppercase, to start my sentence. These ice cubes melted. These ice and cubes all have a silent E. Melted ends with that ED because it happened in the past. I included a period because I am telling my reader something. How did you do? What felt tricky? And what did you do well? We'll keep practicing things that will help you to become a stronger writer. Nice job.
Closing reflection.
Today, we reviewed all of the things we've been working on during this cycle. That includes reading CVCE words, especially words with a long vowel U. We've read high frequency words, and we've been segmenting and blending. Wow! What do you want to keep working on from this cycle? I am so proud of all of your hard work. Go ahead and kiss your brain. You can also do a dance to celebrate all of your hard work. I look forward to seeing you here again soon so we can keep reading and writing and learning together. Bye, friends!